Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you for taking the time to click on the video. As you can see, I'm here in the woodland yet again. At the little bushcraft camp. I've got Rickles with me, he's off doing his intro somewhere. So link to his channel will be in the description below as normal. So yeah, hello to all the old subscribers, hello to all the new subscribers, and thank you for coming along on this little camp adventure, bushcrafty sort of thing. But yeah, as always, there is a link in the description to a buy me a coffee. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can do. It's down there. You know, it's only going to go on beer. So, because it's what we drink, innit? It's beer. Hope everyone is having a good new year. Here is to you guys. Cheers. Hope you're having a good one. Hope this year, 2021, is going to be better. So, plan for today. Just got the hammock with me. With the, it's the DD Frontline XL. I've got the DD Multicam Dura 2 sleeping bag and the DD Multicam 3x3 tarp and the DD Multicam under blanket. So yeah, me and Rick are going to be doing a few things around camp. We want to build a few things. We want to make the bench better. Don't know if you can see that in the background there, but yeah, I want to make that bench better. Rick wants to build a table, so we're going to do some bushcrafty stuff. So we'll get back to you in a bit. In about a month or so, I'm going to be doing another subscriber giveaway. It is going to be brand new Lixinda or Lixada, however you want to pronounce it, twig stove. As you can see, brand new. So that's going to be another subscriber giveaway, just to show my appreciation to everyone who's been showing support. So if you want to be in for a chance to win one of these, and I'm going to be doing regular giveaways, if you want to be in for a chance to win one, then simply just be a subscriber and a supporter of the channel. You know, it doesn't cost anything to hit that subscribe button, to leave a comment, or to like a video. Literally all it costs you is your time. Oh no, man down. This is just a little token of my appreciation, guys. That's what this channel is going to be about. Well, not about giveaways obviously, but I'm going to be one of these people that actually do regular giveaways to show my appreciation to you lot who subscribe and show support and, you know, follow the channel. So yeah, don't forget to be in for a chance of that. I'm going to head back to camp because I stepped away from camp because Ricky's banging around in camp making noise, so you could probably hear him in the background. So yes, stay tuned for that upcoming subscriber giveaway very soon. New stove. If you want it, it's there. There's Rick. Say hi, Rick.
Hi, Rick.
Hi, Rick. What setup are you running today?
French Army cotton canvas tent. Meant to get rain later, so I'm not trying to fit the 3x3 over the top. Although it should be alright.
Yeah.
But it's better to be safe than sorry.
We'll be alright.
Yes.
Be alright.
Yeah.
Just don't worry about it.
Yeah. Confidence. Yeah.
Confidence is the key, Rick.
Something like that.
It's not really like that.
Make that while go along.
Okay, so as you can see, the new fire reflector is coming on nicely. So building this back up, I'm going to put a couple more up on the back here, a bit more pegging out, and then I'm going to put on this side here maybe another 1 or 2 up. Got to do some more pegging out there as well. That's just going to help bounce all the heat back to us. We use this big tree to our advantage, I think. A huge fire reflector. So yeah, getting there. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. What the fuck? You built yourself a nest. Rick has built himself a nest. I don't know if you can make that out on camera. There you go.
To sleep on.
He's made himself a little nest for his tent to go on. Are you about to give birth to some young or something? Is that why you've built a nest? Oh, good idea. We was making good progress around camp, doing things, getting things done, and as you can probably hear, the rain's setting. So I've taken this opportunity to make a brew. Hopefully it ease off soon and get back to doing some stuff. We've got to get some firewood, but now the weather is saying, the weather's changed now since we've been here. It's now saying 98% chance of rain. So, don't even know if we're going to be sitting around the fire tonight. Yeah. Oh well, that's life. Go. The rain has set in yet again, so under the old tarp. Nice homemade stew again today, just warmed up over the fire, because the fire's going good. It's just a shame we can't sit round it with the rain. Rick's heating up sausage rolls, isn't you?
Yeah, in a cup.
Yeah.
I just had to use that as an umbrella over the phone. It worked quite well. So don't make these waterproofs, you know.
Homemade chicken stew. What we got in it? We've got chicken, potato, got mushrooms, got carrots, Got them weird little, I can't remember what they're called, like baby sweet corn things in there. Them things, chops up. Good. Nice and warming on a night like this. Oh, and potato, I don't know if I mentioned potatoes in there. And obviously one of them stew stock cube things. Good. So, get back to you in a bit. I got your present.
A present?
Yeah, it's a Christmas present.
Was it?
It's a Christmas present.
A present?
Yes, a present, Rick.
Oh, for me?
A gift.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you,
Open it
darling.
I think you'll like
Is it vibrating?
No, it's not
Oh,
vibrating.
where's the note?
There's no
That's
note.
nice, isn't it?
No.
She said,
I got
happy-
you a gift and you're moaning that I didn't write on the little tag.
Oh, you should say Happy Christmas, lots of love, Mark.
Oh, there you go. Happy Christmas. Love, Mark. There you go.
Oh, thank you, darling. It's got a child lock on it. Oh. I haven't got you anything yet.
Do you want a knife?
Nah, that's alright. Let's have half of my Christmas cake. Oh, you naughty boy. Oh, it's
That's why I said to you, you should have brought your hip flask with you.
Oh, that's, oh, bloody hell, thank you.
Right.
What's that?
I've got Alan one as
This
well.
one, yeah, I know. Well, that's decent, yeah, thank you.
That's right.
That lasts me all year.
Alan's already had his, so me saying I've got Alan one won't give it away.
Awesome, thank you.
That's right.
Oh.
I even got a little bag to put it in left, I think, look.
Yeah.
Well, I thought if I wrapped it up, it would look too obvious.
Oh, cheers, that's decent, yeah. I don't think to get you anything.
So this is why I don't give presents to expect anything back in return. This is why I said to you, you should have bought your hip flask.
Yeah.
You should have put some in it.
Yeah. Just swig it out of the bottle. Like some sort of pisshead. Oh, thanks for that.
That's alright.
I thought it was going to be something really sort of cheesy and silly. Like,
What?
oh, look. Fucking, I don't know, dildo or something like that.
A dildo. I'll get you a dildo next year if you really want one, really.
Oh.
Christmas present for Rick next year, a dildo. Bom, bom, bom. Bom, 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 bom.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
And relax. Mince pie.
Oh, yes, please. You love a mince pie. Oh, thank you.
Feeling. Two of them.
Good morning. Rick's still asleep. Just made a coffee. Slept all right last night. I'm not overly impressed with this bag. It was cold a couple of times in the night. I've got the under blanket on as well, and yeah, I'm not overly impressed with the Dura 2, I'm afraid. It's not all it's made out to be, trust me. I mean, this under blanket here, the Dura 2, that system is meant to go down to -5. It was 0 last night, and I still felt cold sometimes. I think I woke up 3 times in the night because I was a bit chilly. And I shouldn't have been. It's meant to go down to -5. Other than that, it was alright. But yeah. I'm not too impressed on the Dura 2. I want to hear movement in Rick's tent. So yeah, just got made a coffee, got the little twig stove on the go. It's got like a nice little bit of heat. It's perfect. Magnifique. Oh, my hands are like black. Yeah. I think I'm giving away one of these stoves soon. Subscribe giveaway. Yeah. I'll drink my coffee and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, time for the pack up. So I'm going to do this quick and simple. Here we go. Packed away. Everything's gone. That's right. We are almost ready to go home. Rick's just packing away the last of his bits. We've got a rubbish bag to take, which is down there. Awesome. Rick's struggling with his massive baglet. Been another good one. Don't you think, Rick?
Yeah.
You had a good time.
Wet,
Yeah, it was a bit cold and wet, but yeah. No, another good one done. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. Hello. Don't forget, my going to be doing the giveaway very soon. Rick's hoping he wins something on that one.
Yeah, fix me up.
You got to fix him up. Don't fix my giveaways, Rick. You know that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.